I'm Michelle Deckman with TTR Sotheby's International Realty, and I'm here at my new listing, 4929 West Chalk Point Road, a gorgeous waterfront home just off of the West River. Let's go check it out. The heart of this home is this gourmet kitchen. You have a beautiful oversized island with beautiful countertops, elevated lighting. We have wainscoting on the ceiling and designer appliances. Everything you would want in a gourmet chef's kitchen with views of the water. You have an open floor plan here for entertaining, so your dining is just off the kitchen. You have a family room and a sitting room, a cozy fireplace, and this home has a custom dog wash in the laundry. It doesn't get any better than this. Heading upstairs, there are 2 standard bedrooms and a hall bath. Each bedroom is equipped with custom smart storage in the closets and Murphy beds, creating versatile use of the space. The spacious waterside owner suite is the perfect relaxing retreat. There are custom built-ins in each of the dual walk-in closets, allowing for minimal furnishings and even more usable space. The spa bath with dual vanities, an oversized stall shower, soaking tub, and heated floors is reminiscent of a 5-star hotel suite. This property has a westerly exposure, and that means the sunsets are incredible. So you'll grab a drink after a long day, sit back on the Adirondack chair, and watch the gold sun turn orange. It's all about the boating here. This location is the perfect spot for doing casual paddleboarding and kayaking, truly competitive sailing, or getting on the powerboat and meeting up with friends at some of the local hotspots. Whether you're searching for a serene primary residence where every day feels like a vacation, or the perfect second home to escape the city, this waterfront oasis on the Chesapeake Bay's West River is the answer you've been waiting for.